Hello everyone, welcome to MK Talent, and today I'm here with an interesting video about how the chocolates are made. Chocolates have been made in many parts of the world, but the most expensive chocolates are made in a perfect manner, like Rolls-Royce, other car manufacturers do the same pattern of making. So the chocolates follow the same pattern and the consistency of the chocolate to be more delicious and expensive and smooth to be in the taste. So these are the choco seeds. The main raw product to make an chocolate. So they have been checked thoroughly and verified even by hands because machines fail even so. So they are checked and then it been crushed under a huge mixer like this. So that is not a big job because the mixer just opens it up. After the grinding of the chocolate, it's been made to a mold like this semi-liquid. It's also even called as liquor liquid. And chocolate liquors have been transported to the mixer of a huge mixer, which adds some ingredients such as sugar and whatever the ingredients needs for the chocolate. It just varies brand to brand, and these are some ingredients to add a flavor. If you want an apple chocolate or in a banana chocolate, whatever the flavor and the ingredient and the aroma has been added to the chocolate to get it more even delicious depend upon the brand, because the brand differs on manufacturing even in all industries. As for manufacturing industry, that is really more important. So after that, the liquid has been crushed to small powders, and these powders have been taken again by, yes, again it's been unboxed from the bags and been poured to the machine, and then the nuts are been grind and again mixed up in a well mixture of a giant mixer, and then the mixer processes it to a chocolate to the manufacturing and goes into the box. And again the quality of the seeds are checked on the next day manufacturing, even the before day and every day has been checked, and the grains process over, and then the mixing and the mixes up go over, and the over product, the final product, has been manufactured and comes into our boxes.